So today let us continue with the exercise 12.1. So we'll see the part 2 of it. So this says solve for x. So here x minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. So you can see the is equal to sign in between this one. So what will you do here? We'll cross multiply here. So this 5 will go on this side, so that will get multiplied. So 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 into x minus 3. So this is going to be 5x minus 5 is going to be 4x minus 12. So here 4x, so here 5x minus 4x, that will be minus 12. This will be plus 5. So 5x minus 4x will be x, that will be minus 7. Same here, this we are going to cross multiply. 2x into 8 is equal to 5 into 3x plus 1. So this is going to be 16x. This will be 15x plus 5. So this x will go on this side. So that will be 16x minus 15x will be 5. So this will be x, that is x is equal to 5. Same here, 5 into 25 minus 8x will be 3 into 7x plus 1. So this will be 125 minus 40x, that will be 21x plus 3. So now minus 40x is already on the left hand side. This will go here, minus 21x. This is 3. This will go on the other side, that will be minus 125. So here both side minus means we add it but keep the minus sign as it is. So this is going to be 61x minus 125 plus 3, which is going to be minus 122. So x is going to be minus 122 by 61. So both side is negative sign, so minus divided by minus is going to be plus. So this will be 61, 2's are, so x will be 2. Same here, 9 into x minus 1 is equal to 2x into 4. So 9x minus 9 will be 8x. So 9x, this will be minus 8x, will be, this will go on the other side, that will be 9. So x is going to be 9. You can see for this as well the same thing. Again, this is the same. Now let us see how to do this one. In each of the following, find the value of x. So now you can see here two brackets and is equal to, again here the same. So first we have to solve these two brackets. So this is the, so this we can consider this as A and this as B. So this into this is going to be 2x square. Then again this into this is going to be minus 3x. Now this into this is going to be plus 4x, and this will be this into this, that is going to be minus 6. Or if you get confused with this, what will you do? You will write this x here and this together, this will be here, then this plus 2, and then again you're going to repeat this bracket, that is 2x minus 3, and then you're going to solve it, that is going to be 2x square minus 3x, and this is going to be plus 4x minus 6. You can do anyways, whichever you feel easy. So now again here, this into this, that is going to be 2x square. This into this, that is going to be minus 4x. This into this, that is going to be plus x, and this into this, that is going to be minus 2. So once this step is done, so now this the same, this is going to be plus x minus 6 the same, this the same, this is going to be minus 3x, and this is minus 2. So now this 2x square will keep as it is. This, if we bring it here, that is going to be minus 2x square. This plus x as it is, this will go here, that is going to be plus 3x, and this will be minus 2, and minus 6 is going to go on this side, that is going to be plus 6. So this and this gets cancelled, plus 2x square minus 2x square. This is going to be 4x, that will be plus 6 minus 2, that will be 4. So x will be 4, this will be get divided by 4, so x is going to be 1. Again here the same, this into this, which is going to be 12x square, this into this, which is going to be 18x, this into this, that will be 10x, and this into this, which is going to be plus 15. Again this into this, which is going to be 12x square, this into this, that is going to be plus 8x, this into this, which is going to be 21x, and this into this, which is going to be plus 14. So this is the same. This will be 28x plus 15. This is the same. This is going to be 29x, and this will be same. So here 12x square. This will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 12x square plus 28x. This will go here, that will be minus 29x. This is the same. This will go on the other side, that will be minus 15. So this and this gets cancelled. 28x minus 29x means minus x will be here, minus 15 plus 14, that will be minus x. So both the sides negative becomes positive, so x is going to be 1. Now here you are going to cross multiply, so that will be 9x minus 7 and x plus 6, and this will be 3x minus 4, and this will be 3x plus 5. So now this again, this both brackets is the same as this one. So again you will do the same, that is going to be 9x square plus 54x minus 7x minus 42. And now this is the same, 9x square plus 15x minus 12x, this will be minus 20. So here 9x square as it is, this is going to be plus 47x minus 42 is going to be 9x square. This is going to be 3x, and this will be minus 20 as it is. So this you can take it on this side. This is the same. This is the same. This will take on this side, that will be minus 3x. So this will be this the same. This minus 42 is going to be plus 42. So this and this gets cancelled. This will be 44. X is going to be 22. So x is going to be 22 because this is multiplication. This will get divided. So that will be 1 by 2. So x is 1 by 2. Again, now this is the same as the previous one. You are going to cross multiply. So then you get these two brackets, Again, you are going to solve it here. 12x square plus 18x plus 14x plus 21. Here will be 12x square plus 16x plus 15x, and this will be plus 20. After rearranging, you get this step. Bring this on this side, that will be minus 12x square. This is already the same. Here this is going to be minus 31x. This is the same. This will go on the other side. So that is going to be minus 21. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is x will be minus 1. That will be minus 21 plus 20, which will be minus 1. Again, this again the same type. So you can just have a look at this one. So the answer is going to be 1 by 2 because 5 divided by 10. Again, this is the same. You can have a look at it, already it's solved. But here will be minus 5 divided by 10, that is going to be minus 1 by 2. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.